Hi everyone, I'm workers' comp attorney William Underwood. I want to talk to you today about how workers' comp coverage is supposed to work in Georgia. Now, every employer in Georgia that's not a farm, that has 3 or more employees regularly employed, is supposed to carry workers' comp insurance coverage. And how it works is, if you get hurt at work, it's a no-fault coverage. It means you don't have to prove that your employer was at fault for anything. But because of that, it's limited in the benefits that it provides. It only provides for 3 different benefits. 1, TTD checks, your temporary total disability weekly checks that you get while you're out of work. Medical treatment that hopefully gets you in a position to be able to go back to work at some point. And then something called a PPD, or permanent partial disability rating, that the doctor will assign to you at the end of your case, that usually will carry along with it some permanent work restrictions. So that's how it's supposed to work. You're supposed to get those 3 things and hopefully get in a position where you can go back to work at some point. Now, you'll notice some of the things I didn't say and what workers' comp coverage doesn't provide for: pain and suffering, mental anguish, a loss of consortium claim for your spouse, your full lost wages. Those are things that are reserved for a personal injury tort case, which is a completely different type of case. Now, although they both, workers' comp and personal injury tort cases, involve a bodily injury, they're not the same type of case by law. Workers' comp, you can't get those things. So how it's supposed to work is you get the TTD, you get PPD, and you get your medical treatment. Where do attorneys become involved in this process? Now, you would think that the insurance company would be easy enough to provide those benefits, but where we get involved in cases usually is when the insurance company is not providing one of these benefits. Usually your weekly checks, there may be some issue, not the right amount, not coming when they're supposed to, getting medical treatment. If you're not getting the medical treatment you need or deserve, we get in those cases and fight with the insurance company about that. So that's how it's supposed to work in Georgia. You're supposed to get those 3 benefits, and hopefully it's working for you in your case if you have one.